Okay, here we go. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my humble abode, okay? My channel. Hello, how are you? I hope all is well. What's up? So, today's video, why am I like this? Today's video is gonna be lit, basically, obviously, clearly. I'm just trying to make sure that this edge stays down because I've had this wig on for like 3 days. I'm really happy about that because it hasn't come off. It hasn't given me any issues. But anyway, so today I want to do a neon situation. Feel me? Like that's what I'm into right now for this hot second. I need to go shopping so that I can have some neon clothes. I don't have any clothes, you guys. I need to go shopping. I deserve. Anywho, Huda Beauty recently came out with these neon Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I heard they're bomb. So I'm gonna be using some or all three. I don't know. First of all, the packaging is lit. Can you guys see these? CDs, DVDs. The packaging is awesome. I'm feeling it. Shot, shot, shots. I'm drinking better when I'm drinking. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a neon look, you know? I haven't done a video where I do an eye look in a really long time, and I feel like you guys, you have earned it, okay? You deserve, so that's what I'm gonna be dropping today. I don't know which we're gonna use, but let's look at them. So let's do the pink one first, and this is a pressed pigment palette. Ooh, this is so pretty. Y'all wanna see? You wanna see? You wanna see. So that's the pink one, really pretty, and it has some purples in there. So that's the green one. So I don't know what kind of color I'm feeling like doing today, but I'm probably gonna be working from all three palettes. I have all three open in front of me. So I just know I wanna do something bright. First things first, I'm gonna prime my lid with some concealer. Just gonna get out my lid so I can have a good base. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Well, blend the edges out. So I think what I wanna do is like a cut crease situation, but I'm also not sure. All I know for sure is that I want a super impactful color in my crease. So that's where we're gonna start. All right, I'm gonna take the darkest, which is in the pink palette. It's this purple shade. I'm gonna pick that up on my brush. You guys see that? And I'm gonna place that right in the crease. Are we seeing? I don't care if it looks messy. I'm just making sure that the pigmentation is present. And I'm making sure that I place the shadow on while my concealer is still wet so that it can be more impactful. Is that pretty or is that pretty? I think it's pretty pretty. What do you guys think? I'll definitely say I love how pigmented these palettes are. If you guys don't know, these Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes are pure pigment. So it's not mixed with anything that's going to dilute the color of it. It's just pure pigment. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna blend that crease out. Okay, now what color should I use to blend it? Should we use yellow or orange? I think we should use orange. So in my orange neon obsessions, I'm gonna use this shade and this shade combined. These are two. One is coral, one is like creamsicle. So I'm gonna use these two to blend out my crease, my harsh edges. Now I'm using a relatively small blending brush so I can be pretty precise with how I'm blending. You can see how easily that's blending away. Not difficult at all. That was easy. That was easy. Now I'm gonna do the other side. This is a pretty color combo. You guys know I don't really do brights, really, because you know, I'm into practical pretty makeup, but when I do brights, I make it practical and pretty, because that's who I am. Now I'm gonna go back in with that purple. I'm gonna go back in with that purple and I'm gonna repack and I'm gonna blend it up with the coral colors that I use to blur my crease. This is such a simple look that looks complicated, but isn't complicated at all. Yeah, you guys see? Wait, I wanna do one more blend. And that's just gonna be a first safety blend. Make sure colors have been blurred properly into perfection. I wish I had an outfit to match this look. I feel like I'm not doing the full thing. Now we're gonna cut the crease. Like for real, cut. Like cut it, yeah, that. We're doing that, okay? I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's not popping severely like I want it to. You feel me? Like it's just not. I don't know. That's how I feel. I feel like it's not, doing a ting. I'm gonna put this lime green on the lid and see if that makes me happy. Because I'm not feeling it right now. Is it even gonna show up? I don't have a pure white base to use for this look either, so. I don't know. It's just like I want certain things to pop severely. I feel like this is not popping severely. So I'm gonna go in the orange and I'm gonna take this mustardy color. Pretty, really pretty actually. And let's see. Let's see. All right, I mean, I'm not totally opposed anymore. Looking better. When you reapply some of this lime green, I feel like some of it got lost. I'm gonna do the brows. I feel like maybe if I do my brows, the look will come together more. I don't know. Maybe, oh, maybe not. We're gonna see. This look is not working out at all. At all. At all, at all, at all, at all. I'm over it. We're going to quickly do the face. I'm going to be using the same products that I used in my previous video. If you don't know what those products are, go back one video so you can hip yourselves. Okay? Okay, so this is the final look. It started off rocky and I still don't like the brows. Cut. You guys, it's been such a long day and I intended to film right after I got finished doing this look, like finish the end of it. But I got sidetracked. A lot happened today that I had to deal with, a lot of last minute business stuff. So I had to deal with that. But this is the final look. I had to blot my face because I got oily throughout the day. But this is what the eyes ended up turning out to look like. I wasn't feeling this look at first, but it's growing on me. I'm not fully satisfied. I'm gonna use those palettes again because, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. But the skin is still solid, even though I've had this look on for over 12 hours. It's been it's been a very long day. I looked a lot better when I was doing it. I've been ripping and running, going everywhere, up and down, round and round all day. So forgive me for not ending this video properly, but I love you guys so very much and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you didn't already. Make sure you like this video if you didn't already, and leave me a comment. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, I look like I've had a long day. Like, I don't look like a bum, but I look like I've had a long day. I look like I've been wearing this look for a while, but the eyes are intact. So that's what we're gonna focus on, and that's all that matters, right? Right? Yes, that's right. So I love you all. I'll see you in my next one. Okay, you guys, I'm about to get in the shower, and I just want to let you guys know that this entire look, I just realized and I've come to grips with, it was a fail. Like, it was an absolute fail. And you know what? I'm okay with that, because Princess is able to be honest with herself. And honestly, it's your fault and not mine. So I don't know how exactly I can blame this on you all and not myself, but I'm working on it. I just wanted to put it out there before I let you guys go. This look was a fail. You know, my heart was pure. I came into filming this video with good intentions, but you know, I was done dirty by the events of today. And I don't know what product exactly ruined this look, but it did not work out. I'm about to get in the shower and I'm gonna wash this wig off, wash this face off, and I'm gonna go to sleep. And we're gonna start the day over tomorrow. And we're gonna hope for better times, you know? We're gonna hope for better times. And tomorrow, I mean, my next video, it'll be better. Okay, so don't yell at me, don't pressure me, don't come for me, because I did not send for you guys. Well, actually, you know, I'm always sending for you guys. So go ahead, if you want to roast me in the comments, I'm all the way here for it, because you guys know it's all love. So yeah, I'm gonna wash all this off. Next video will be better, okay? And I'm not gonna let the day interrupt me. My nose is itching so badly. Every time I do that, I usually take all the nose off of, what am I saying? I usually take all the foundation off of my nose, but I've learned to, you know, barely touch my nose. I'm just trying to give you tips, you know? I'm just trying to get some tips, drop some tips on you guys. Anyway, I think we need to give the blonde a break. No, I don't know what color. I don't know if we should go natural. I don't know if I should do a snatched ponytail. We already did the bun. Maybe a snatched ponytail. Because I don't feel like wearing black hair unless it's my black hair. You feel me? So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And we're gonna have a different hairstyle, okay? We need some newness. Okay? So I love you all. Goodbye again for the millionth time. And Forgive me for this look being a complete and utter fail, okay? Sorry, sincerely, I apologize. All right, until next time,